Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your account supports live captions and interpretation. This is essential. Join the Google Meet call, then click the three dots for more options. Choose captions first to verify speech is detected, and then open interpretation or translate captions. Select the spoken source language and the target language you want on screen. Once done, confirm captions show translated text. Make sure participants know translations are machine-generated. That way, you reduce confusion when accuracy varies. Next, you refine translation settings to improve results. Select the exact source language rather than auto-detect. That reduces errors. In settings, adjust caption size and position so translated text stays readable across devices. If you have human interpreters, assign them the interpreter role rather than relying solely on machine translation. Once done, tell participants how to enable translated captions on their device. Make sure everyone tests audio quality briefly, because poor input equals poor translation. Finally, you confirm everything before full discussion begins. Verify translated captions appear correctly for attendees and start recording if you need a reference. Note that translations aren't verbatim. If captions lag or stop, first restart captions, then check microphone and browser permissions, and make sure Meet has network access. If problems persist, switch the source language or have a participant rejoin. One key troubleshooting tip: reload the browser tab. This often restores caption services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.